Okay guys, today I'm going to walk you through the steps to transfer all of your data from an Android device over to a brand new iOS device. So let's get started. So as you can see, I already have my new iOS device. In this case, we're using a brand new 2020 iPhone SE. I've already set it up with the passcode and Touch ID. So those are the initial setup steps. You can go through those pretty quickly on your own, so I'll save time in this video. And I'm already at the data transfer screen. So step one, make sure both devices are on Wi-Fi. So I've already done that. I've made sure both devices are connected to my home Wi-Fi, and we're ready to go. So the next step, once you have this new iOS device set up with your passcode and both devices on Wi-Fi, we're going to download the Move to iOS app on Android. You can see I've done that here. So go in your Play Store, download Move to iOS. We're just going to open that. Okay, and there it is. Now, back on our iOS device, we have multiple options here to restore from iCloud backup, which obviously we don't have. Restore from Mac or PC. We're going to jump down to the Move Data from Android. Select that. Now you see a similar screen. So move from Android. Continue, and then you're going to be presented with a nice 6-digit code. And that's the code we're going to use to enter in on our Android device. All right, once you proceed on your Android device, you're going to be presented with terms and conditions. You can read through those if you like. We're going to agree. We're going to hit next. It says find your code. We're going to enter that in. And then now it's going to do its thing and look for the iPhone. See, there it goes. Now once it is able to find it, it's going to start the transfer. And that should only take a few seconds. Okay, the Android device and iPhone have found each other. We're going to select everything and hit next, and the transfer is going to begin. Now notice how it warns you, do not switch to other apps or turn off this device until the transfer is complete. This is important. This may corrupt your data during the transfer. So if this data is very important to you, make sure you don't do this. And as a safety precaution, I've also connected both devices to power, just to make sure no power issues interrupt the data transfer either. And of course, you can see our time remaining is in the 30-minute range. Your Wi-Fi speed is definitely going to influence how fast this data transfer may take. So we'll speed things up here a bit and get right to the end of the transfer. All right, our transfer has been completed. You can see, when it's done, you'll see a nice confirmation screen on your Android device. And you can see the iOS device is still completing a few things, moving items into place. So that may take another couple minutes. So at this time, you can, as you can see on the Android device, it's done. Some items are not copied. So you can just poke through your apps, data, music, pictures to see what was not copied. And unfortunately, you may have to transfer some things manually. Most of those things may be on the SD card if you have one in there. So although this app is very useful, it does have some limitations, but as you can see, it was as simple as that. Now we're ready to continue setting up our iPhone, and that's where we will end. Thanks guys, hope you enjoyed the videos. Drop me a comment down in the comment section. Let me know what you think, and hit me a subscribe. Thanks guys.